How to connect Gmail with Mate.com. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Make.com so you can automate email tasks.
Start by logging into Make.com and creating a new scenario. In the scenario builder, search for the Gmail app and add it. You'll then be prompted to authenticate and link your Gmail account by logging into Google and granting permissions to Make.com. Once connected, you can set triggers for events like new incoming emails, labeled emails, or emails with attachments. You can then add actions such as sending a response email, creating a task in another app, or storing attachments in Google Drive. For example, you can automate the process of sending a personalized email reply every time you receive a certain type of email. Make.com's flexibility allows you to set up complex email workflows to save time and increase efficiency. By connecting Gmail with Make.com, you'll be able to streamline your email management and integrate it with other apps and processes. And that's how you connect Gmail with Make.com.